That's Tom Petty at I-95 on the morning show here.
Hey, man. Hey.
Did you just ask if we could play some Sinatra?
Sinatra? Something a little softer for you?
Yeah. Not a problem.
What's your name, sir? No, that's okay. I like that guy.
It's 16 after 8 here, live from the Bank Street Coffee House in New Milford. Okay, we have a star from the film.
That's right. From the law offices of. Give him that's not right. You haven't seen the movie yet. He could be featured in the entire movie from the law offices of Allingham Spillane. We have Phil Spillane on the show here.
Phil,
Nice.
Thank you.
thanks for stopping over.
Yes.
No problem.
You could be the biggest star that we get today on the show.
Anything I can do.
Yeah. So how'd you get this part?
Well, it's funny. They're using my office, as you know, for filming the movie on Monday, and I was just hanging around in the conference room with the extras. They were all just sort of waiting to go on, and one of them said to me, "Hey, you want to be in the movie?" I said, "Sure." And he said, "Just go talk to the assistant director. We need another extra for the funeral scenes." So I went up to him. Joe is his name. I forget his last name. And I said, "Hey, I hear you could use another extra." "Yeah, you're in. Just go home and get a suit on," because I had jeans on at the moment.
Buying a cup of coffee.
Yeah. So I ran home, got my best suit on, and they put me in the movie.
So you look at one scene?
They filmed me 3 different times. Once standing on the porch with an actress named Karen Chapman, and just watching the mourners come in, acknowledging the grieving family as they walked up. And then I was filmed walking up the walkway with Karen Chapman as we were arriving at the funeral. But the good part was the third time was I was standing on the front lawn with another actor. His name was David Gere. And the director said, "Now, you guys are supposed to notice Jenna Elfman as she walks by. And I mean notice her." And I said, "Well, what do you mean?" He says, "Well, I want you focusing on her chest." I said, "Well, you know, I'll suck it up, but I'll do it."
Yeah, tough job. Unbelievable. So the cast has been nice to everybody in the area. That's what we're hearing, right?
Oh, it's been great, yeah.
Signing autographs and doing the whole deal. What? Maybe you can help us out, because I have a problem trying to figure out the plot of this thing. Tell us a little bit about what you know about the movie.
All right. What I understand is that Tim Allen is sort of an adventurer type of guy, and there's a skydiving accident. He's presumed dead, but he's not dead. And he decides to come back to his hometown to check out his funeral, and all of his ex-wives are then fighting over who gets to bury him and all that. And the big scene for our office is of our building is when Jenna Elfman walks off with the urn of what she thinks are his ashes. And she sneaks out the front door, and then the other actresses notice her. Paz Vega, the Spanish actress, says, "There she goes," and she says something in Spanish, and she comes flying out. And then all the other actresses and the one actor, I forget his name, who plays the son, come barreling out of the building, running across our front lawn, across the street, and on up the green in this big chase scene. So
it's time for me to be selfish here, Ethan.
Why? What are you going to do?
I got to figure out and put Phil on the spot here and see if I can get an official endorsement from his law office for my campaign for mayor.
Oh, man.
What do you think, Phil?
We try to be nonpartisan in our office, but if you're running for neither party, then I guess we'll endorse you.
Phil, free pizza Friday.
Slip and slide. Route 7 turns into a slip and slide.
Right. Invade Sherman.
Invade Sherman.
Regular spot on the show?
We annex Sherman. Regular spot on the show.
All right.
I'm running on the ridiculously stupid ticket is what I'm doing.
You know what? I'm kind of surprised that Pat Murphy hasn't been by.
I know.
Because she probably would want to, chat with you and find out if you're serious or not.
I have a feeling she's going to smack me in the mouth.
Probably.
That's what's going to happen.
Probably.
Somebody's going to tell her.
Yeah. It'll get back.
She'll be here.
Well, she's a friend of the show. We've had her on before.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for coming by.
Maybe
no
not
problem, guys.
Is this going to be? The movie worth seeing? Is it going to be a good movie?
A lot of good-looking women.
He's got a point. He's got a point.
Exactly.
At least 6 of them, I hear.
Thanks again, Phil.
Guys, thank you.
Local celeb attorney.
It's a beautiful thing.
Nice.
People helping people. This community's coming together and doing some cool things, getting a lot of excitement going around this area.
People helping people?
I don't know what the hell that means. I really don't.